You were an angel once.
That was a long time ago. Alpha Centauri. That's always nice this time of year.
You can't leave home.
Even if this all ends up in a puddle of burning goo, we can go off together.
He says he wants to
Go off together? We are an angel and a demon.
Let there be light.
Let there be light.
There's nothing I won't.
When Gabriel smites you, you've been smited? Smith.
Sometime in the last 18, 90 years, I remember hearing that you were Crowley were nice.
Come up with something,
Let go of your hand.
or I'll never talk to you again.
Two birds on a wire.
Get thee behind me, foul fiend.
And the
Up.
other says I'm tired. The sky is overcast, and I'm sorry.
Did you go to Alpha Centauri?
I've changed my mind. Stuff happened.
Nobody's
I lost my best friend.
You know, Alpha Centauri is nice. Always all together. Couple of decent planets. No nightlife to speak of.
There's nothing I won't understand.
May you be forgiven.
I won't be forgiven.
Whatever.
Whatever. Part of a demon's job description.
I won't let go of your hand.
Come back to heaven and everything like the old times. Only even nicer.
Right.
Of a fan.
And you told him just where he could stick it then.
Say that they're
Tell me you said no. We
gonna
don't need heaven. We don't need
stay
hell. They're toxic.
For once,
We need to get away from them.
never
Just
going
be an
to
us.
let go
You
of that
Please,
wire.
come with
He
me
said
to heaven.
that he
I'll
would,
run it. You can be my second in command.
he was just a liar.
Difference.
Two
We've known each other a long time.
birds on a wire.
I could always rely on you. You can always rely on me. We're a team. A group. And we've spent our existence protecting what we know. And I would like to spend
Nothing
lasts forever.
He says he wants to as well.
You idiot.
But
We could have been
he's a liar.
us.
You go too fast for me, Crowley.
He's just an angel.
Been together long?
We have nothing whatsoever in common. I don't even like you.
You do.
Two birds on a wire.
I forgive you.
One tries to fly away.